Hello and welcome. My name is Jan Heimis. I'm co-founder of Needle. And at Needle, we believe that searching for information across all your data sources should be much easier than it is today. In 2024, we are still searching manually for information across our data sources, and we believe that shouldn't happen because this is actually a huge bottleneck and wastes a lot of time for you and also all your employees. Therefore, we have a solution, Needle, to make you find the needle in the haystack. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Gmail connector to track all your Gmails with Needle and ask questions to find information across all your Gmails which you have ever received, to find information fast so that you never have to actually waste your time again on searching through all your emails to find a specific email or piece of information that you are looking for. So we make it easy for you to find the needle in the haystack, which the haystack is all your Gmails, and the needle is the information which you're actually looking for. So let's get started. So to get started, let's log into our Needle account. So you can go to needle-ai.com and log in with your Gmail account. Now we are at a dashboard where we create a collection, and a collection is a set of files which is separated from other files. It could be project-based. And in this case, we want to call it Emails Needle Jan, because the project is me tracking my emails. Here we are going to select which model we are using, and in this case we are going to use the meta model because that allows us to enrich our emails with the metadata information, which is actually the context of the information. For example, if your email doesn't hold any context, which could be an invite, a calendar invite, then we don't have actually text which is within the email, but still the context of the email is very important, that it is actually in calendar booking for a specific meeting with a specific person. And this information we still want to hold. So let's check out our collection. So emails Needle Jan. There are currently no files and just me as a user. Now we want to go to our connectors, and in this case we want to set up a new connector for our Gmail account. So let's log into our Gmail. So I'm setting up here Gmail for my private Gmail account. So now we are here in the Gmail connector interface. And what is actually a connector? A connector allows you to sync the data from Gmail to Needle so that the questions that you're going to ask and the data that you are going to retrieve is always up to date. So in this case, it is very important that you add some search query to your Gmail connector. Because if you don't do so, I mean, you can also do that, it will track all your Gmails of all time. So in this case, I'm going to set a search query, which is from Jan at needle-ai.com. So I'm going to track all the emails that I have ever received from this account. So currently there's just one because I just created the test email to showcase this demo. But if there are going to be more emails from Jan at needle-ai.com to my private email address, then this also is going to be reflected in this connector because the connector will see, oh, actually there is a new email from this account. So I'm going to add this email or the data of this email also to the collection of where we are going to track this information. So let's give this connector a name. I'm calling it Jan Needle email. And let's say which collection we want to add this data to. So we can add also this information of this connector, which is syncing always the Gmails, to different collections. Let's say you want to not only have this in this collection, emails Needle Jan, but also in other collections. In that case, you can also multi-select other collections. Additionally, now we want to set the schedule. So at which time this connector should run. So in this case, I'm going to say it should run every midnight at Berlin local time. And let's set up the connector. So now I can see here in this connector, it has just run at 10:44, 22nd of November. And the next run, as you see here, is also going to be 23rd of November at midnight. And there's one file which we are going to track, which is actually this Gmail, which we currently saw also in the UI before, based on the prompt or the search query that we actually put in. So let's go to our collection. In our collection now we see that there's one file pending because this one file we currently just added to our collection. So now we are going to index that file to make it searchable. Additionally, we can add also users to our collection. And in this case, I'm going to add the Jan at needle-ai.com to this collection as a viewer. So this person is also going to see all the emails that have happened between me and actually me in this case. So we see now the file is indexed, test, and we can ask questions based on this information, which we retrieved now from the Gmail into this collection. So I'm asking here, who is Jan Heimis, which is me. And this email actually contains information about me. Jan Heimis is co-founder and CEO of Needle-ai. But if I ask a question such as, who is Donald Trump? You will see that this data will say, I don't know who Donald Trump is because there is no information regarding this information across all your Gmails. So this is actually how you can check your emails and never have to manually search again for information across all your email accounts. And it's a very easy and very neat solution, which makes you save a lot of time in the long term, because how often have you already found yourself searching for specific information in your Gmail or your email account? And like that, we allow you to directly find this information, retrieve this information, and look up the email where this information actually comes from. Additionally, you see that it will never hallucinate, because only the information which lives within your Gmail account is going to be also retrieved and is also going to be able to be answered on. So if there is no information within your Gmail account about a specific topic, then we will also tell you at Needle, okay, actually we don't know, because the information you're searching for doesn't actually live in this Gmail account, or actually there is no information like that. So like that, you can be sure that it's going to never hallucinate and the answers you're getting are always really true. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at needle-ar.com or write us a message in our Discord channel. And we are always very happy to talk with you and understand your problems better. We really want to make this work for you, because we believe that in nowadays environment, speed is very important, and we don't want like people to search anymore and waste time with such annoying tasks as searching through your emails. Additionally, we also have some other connectors such as Drive, Dropbox, Jira, and so on. And I'm going to explore them in some further tutorials. You can also set up several connectors of different data sources to streamline into the same collection. Something which might be very interesting for you if you're a project manager. Let's say you have your Gmails, you have your Drive and your Jira. And in that case, you want to streamline all this information from these different data sources into this one collection to make cross-platform information searchable. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.